Hi guys! Today we'll discuss these two commonly confused adjectives, sensible and sensitive. They are very similarly pronounced and spelled, but their meaning is completely different. First, I'll tell you about the correct pronunciation of these adjectives. Then I'll talk about their meaning and definition. And finally, I'll try to provide you with a lot of examples from real-life situations and movies. Let's start with the adjective sensitive. This adjective is not pronounced with z, so you shouldn't pronounce it as sensitive, which is a very common pronunciation mistake. The correct pronunciation is sensitive. The basic meaning of this adjective is easily upset by things or feeling things strongly. For example, we can say Mark takes his work seriously and is sensitive to criticism. If we say that a subject, a situation, or an issue is sensitive, it means that it needs to be dealt with carefully. For example, we can say the issues are politically sensitive. Sensitive can also mean that a person is showing awareness and understanding of other people's feelings and needs. For example, we can say her experience made her very sensitive to the feelings of others. If you have sensitive skin or your teeth are highly sensitive to cold, it means that they are easily damaged or changed by a physical activity or effect. Pridiv sensitive se na srpski uglavnom prevodi kao osjećajan ili osjetljiv. Let's now take a look at how the adjective sensitive is used in different movies.
You're sensitive, born Itomai.
He's kind, sensitive, and gentle.
I didn't know you were so sensitive about your diplomatic status.
Let's now take a look at the adjective sensible. Be careful with the pronunciation. It's not pronounced with z, so you shouldn't pronounce it as sensible, but rather sensible. If you are sensible, you show good judgment, you are reasonable and practical, and you have common sense. For example, we can say she seems to be very sensible and easy to deal with. Or we can say this seems to be the only sensible way of dealing with a problem. Sometimes sensible can be used for shoes or clothes, meaning that they are practical and comfortable rather than fashionable. Pridev sensible se na srpski uglavnom prevodi kao razuman. Let's now take a look at how the adjective sensible is used in different movies.
Sensible business, I suppose, but I didn't have the sense in those days to be sensible.
If I get sensible answers, then they get to go to America. And if I don't get sensible answers, they don't.
Look at my shoes. My mother approves of sensible shoes.
To sum up, sensible describes the reasonable way in which you do things or think about things. Sensitive, on the other hand, describes the emotional way in which you react to things. I hope my explanations were concise and clear, and I hope they will help you differentiate between the adjectives sensible and sensitive. If you did enjoy my video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye for now.